Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we'll talk about how to create an HTML document. So we'll see the setup instruction first, then we'll try to create an HTML document. Then we will set up the document head and the body section. We will add text to the web page, and then we will be adding comments into the web page as well. And then we have the homework assignment. Now, setup instruction is that your computer must have a notepad or notepad plus. Almost every computer has the notepad, so we will be using notepad. You may install notepad plus, notepad plus plus. This is a free software. You can download it and it will be on your machine. Another thing that you need to install is the web server. If you can install the web server, that will be very great. If you're not able to install, it's okay. You can still work with the program. I mean, 95 to 96% you can work without the web server in this course. But if you can install, that would be great. You can install the open Aptena Studio 3 server, or you can install Abyss web server. So any server you can install. These are the free softwares. It will help you. Now let's create the HTML document. If you see here, the first statement is doc type HTML. This will tell the browser, the Chrome browser or the Internet Explorer browser. It will tell the browser, this command will tell the browser that this document has the HTML commands or HTML tags. So remember, always the HTML documents start with HTML and then it closes with the HTML. So this is the closing is with the slash. So start with HTML, closing with the HTML. Now everything in the web page will be within the HTML tags. Now if you see, in the HTML tags, we are having two sections. One of them is the head section and the second one is the body section. So this is my head section, starting with the head and closing with the head. Then we have the body section, starting with the body tag and closing with the body tag, the slash body. Okay. Now the title then will come into the head. The title will come into the head and rest of the things will be in the body. Okay, so anything that display on your browser is always from the body in the main window. The title will come on the top of the browser. That's it. So let's start the web page creation. So I will start here. I can say notepad. Okay. Now in the notepad, what I can do is I can also open my browser. So let me divide my screen into three areas. Okay, so this is the maximum limit of this. So I can start with, this is my tag, the less than sign, exclamation, and then doc type, DOCTYPE, and then I'll say HTML. So this command tells the browser that this document is written in HTML. Then this is my HTML tag. And then I will be closing my HTML tag here. Inside HTML, I have two more tags. One is the head section. Okay. And this is the closing, the slash Head is the closing of the head section. Similarly, I have a body section, and this is the closing of my body section. Okay, so in the head section I will always specify the title. Okay, title of my, and remember the title is always come on the top here in the browser. So the title is bed and breakfast. Okay, and then this is my closing of the title. And now we have the body. In the body I will be writing my headings, so I can say, okay, this is my H1, and I will be having like bed and breakfast in the heading 1, and I'll be closing my heading 1. Now let's see this thing on the web page. So let me see if I'm having Abyss web server somewhere. Okay, it will be in the C drive, and this is my Abyss server hdocs, and in the CIT122 I will be saying index.html. Remember one thing, if I save like that, it will save it as a text file. Okay, so I have to put the double quotation before and double quotation after. Now it will be saved as a HTML file. So I can click on the save, and now it is saved in the. Now if I say I want to run my browser, I can say localhost, this is the server name, okay, and then I can say cit112/index.html. okay, let me make it a little bigger. So this is my localhost slash, this is the folder cit122, and then this is my index.html file. I clicked on that, and you can see that this is my title, bed and breakfast, and you see the title comes on the top. And then we have in the body I have a heading 1. This is my heading 1, bed and a breakfast. You see that? Now let me make it minimize. Now in the body I want to have one paragraph, okay, and the paragraph is like, always start with a P tag. This is my paragraph start, and now my paragraphs ends /P. Now inside I can type the text. So what I can do is I can just do the copy paste to save the time. So a country gateway perfect for fishing, boating, biking, and just watching the day go by. Now I just saved it, and if I go and refresh this page, now you will see that this paragraph comes on my page. Okay, now I can go back after the paragraph. I have another paragraph. I can have another paragraph. Close the paragraph. Now I have 2 paragraphs, and this paragraph is having a time. So I can say 218, this is my telephone number, sorry, not the time, telephone number 555-5253. Okay, and the paragraph close. It doesn't matter if the paragraph is on different line and the text is on different line, or they are on the same line. It does not matter. So I can save the file. I can go up F5, and you see that. So I got my telephone number here. This is my paragraph, and then this is my heading 1. So in this way, now let's add the comments. Comments are very interesting. So what you can do is we can add the comments on the in the heading section. Okay, so in the heading section, whether you can have a heading section before, underneath, or on the top, doesn't matter. So comments are usually in the comments for the page. or usually in the head section. So your comment should be in the less than, exclamation, minus minus, and then you can say minus minus, greater than sign. Anything you write inside these two tags, this will be comments. Comments mean the computer will ignore. The computer will ignore this part, and it will just for the comments, just for the reading purposes, for a person who wants to work on this page. So I can say read bed and breakfast main web page. Okay, um, and then I can say, okay, the author is Tariq Aziz, and the date is July the 5th, 2020. Not July, today is like in August 31. Okay, so this is my comment, and now if I save it and I refresh the page, these comments will not appear, so it will not bring any change to this page. So the comments are for reading purposes. Maybe I left the company, tomorrow somebody else will come and he can read the comments and he can make benefit of these comments, from these comments. So let's preview the page. This is how we are previewing the page. So I can go for the local host, okay, and the folder name and the index.html, and that's how you can run the page. So this is the homework for you, that you will be creating exactly like this one. Okay, so you will be creating a web page exactly like this one, and then you have to submit online. That's it for today. Kafara majlis. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.